Hi, Libra Sun and Rising. So I am keeping things short and sweet this month with a one-card pull. And your tarot card theme for July is the Chariot. And I must admit, this is one of my favorite cards in the tarot deck. So, okay, Libra, the appearance of the Chariot upright in July signifies a month of forward momentum and determined progress. Now, this card indicates that July is a month where your drive and willpower will be at their peak, allowing you to overcome any obstacles in your path. Now, the Chariot's energy is all about harnessing your inner strength and perhaps even balancing opposing forces to achieve your goals, depending on your situation. But whatever your focus is on at the moment, this could be career, personal aspirations, or relationship goals, the Chariot encourages my Libras to take the initiative and move forward with confidence. So in your career, the Chariot suggests that July will be a month of significant advancements. You may find yourself taking on new responsibilities or maybe taking the lead on a major project. Now, this is a period of time where your hard work and determination can yield impressive results. And sometimes the Chariot can indicate that there are some eyes on you. So, put your best self out there. But also, it's important to stay focused and to maintain your discipline. This is important too. Avoid distractions and keep your eye on the prize. So no small talk or that chit chat by the coffee machine. You don't want to get involved in that. And collaborations are also indicated with this card, as teamwork is a requirement for the Chariot to move forward, because the Sphinxes and the Charioteer all have to be on the same page. But however, just as we know back in the ancient myths, right? These Sphinxes are known to be a bit tricky, and certainly they are a bit tricky here in this card to wrangle, as they tend to have a mind of their own. So Libra, you may find that you are in a similar position if a coworker or team member is not totally on board. Sooner rather than later, it will benefit you to be firm when it comes to maintaining your authority in your leadership role or setting a professional boundary. Now, on a personal level, the Chariot indicates a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. So this month, you may feel a strong urge to explore new facets of your personality or your spirituality. It's also a good time to set some personal challenges and push your boundaries a little bit. And this can be a new fitness regime, learning a new skill, or maybe even tackling a long-standing personal issue, and maybe even enrolling in a few therapy sessions as well. Anything that helps you progress and grow. The Chariot upright here supports you in achieving personal victories. So embrace this period of self-empowerment for the month of July and give yourself all the tools you need to thrive in the pursuit of your personal excellence. Now, in relationships, the Chariot brings a message of balance and harmony through effort and commitment. So if you are in a established couple, you may need to work on balancing your needs with those of your partner, ensuring that both of you are moving forward together and have the same goals. Communication and mutual understanding will be crucial in maintaining harmony. So it may be necessary to have that awkward yet necessary conversation. For my singles, the Chariot suggests that taking proactive steps in your social life could lead to meaningful connections. So this card indicates staying true to yourself and pursue relationships that align with your values and aspirations. Don't compromise. If you want a committed relationship, or if you want somebody to just hang out with, then that's what you should go for, right? And if you have been in hermit mode for a little bit, this card indicates you do need to get out and get moving. I often tease my clients and I tell them, look, unless, the love of your life ends up being like a UPS delivery guy or a FedEx person or something, most likely love is not going to come knocking on your door. You're going to have to get out there, mingle, meet some people, make some connections, and, have some fun. Okay, I've gone on long enough here. Overall, Libra, the Chariot upright for July promises a wonderful, transformative, and progressive period of time for you. It's filled with opportunities for growth and success through focus, determination, and effort. Okay, Libra, I hope you found these messages helpful. And if you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I love you, Libra, and I wish you the best of success for the month of July.